Nursing isn't just a profession, it is a calling. But even the most passionate nurses need right tools to thrive. Hi, I'm Evangel and welcome to Nursing with Evangel, the channel that is here to empower, inspire and support you on your nursing journey. Whether you're a student nurse navigating the world of lectures and clinicals, a working nurse refreshing your skills, or someone considering this rewarding path, this is the space you've been looking for. At Nursing with Evangel, we simplify nursing concepts, break down key topics and give you study tips, real-world insights and confidence-boosting lessons that make learning feel achievable and fun. Here is what you can expect: clear and engaging tutorials on anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and even lots more. Exam tips and study strategies tailored for busy nursing students. Clinical practice guides to help you feel confident and prepared on the floor, and weekly doses of motivation and inspiration to remind you why you started. This channel isn't just about content, it is about community. We learn together, we grow together, and lift each other up every step of the way. Whether you're preparing for an exam, transitioning to practice, or looking for extra clarity, I've got your back, because I believe that every nurse deserves access to quality education, support and encouragement. So if you're ready to study smarter, practice better and build a thriving nursing career, you're in the right place. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification and drop a comment to say hello. I would love to meet you. Bye. See you on our next one.